I'm Osama Isam. Basically from Sudan. I finished my degree in a mechanical engineer. I have been in India for like 6 months. I was want to develop my knowledge and skills in mechanical side. So I'm searching in Google, and I find that my best option is ICE India Institute (MAB). I contact with Mr. Nazif, and he told me about everything. Now I'm finished my MAB full course. I think they have good environment. They have good teacher. They helpful, and they told me everything. First time I have problem in communicate by English, so they help me. They explain to me everything. You can find them on Google ICE India MAB Training Institute. Thank you.